channel, Teresa Rene. So, if you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button so you can hang out with your girl and catch the videos I do. I do a little bit of everything. But today, as you can see by the title, I have a haul of videos. So, I have a few things I have collected in the past, I don't know, week, I guess, the past week. So, it's what's new this week. One of the things that are new is this Strivectin anti-wrinkle line blur factor instant wrinkle blurring primer. And I am really, I should have taken this with me on my trip this weekend, but because child, we didn't get hardly any sleep. We were on the go to my family reunion, which was held in Maryland. Well, actually, we were in Maryland, but the actual reunion was held at the National Harbor. Anywho, girl, I should have used this because, honey, your girl I was tired. We hung out too late. But anyway, so I got this, and I got this from Influenza, and I am really excited to actually try this. So it is a primer and supposed to instantly blur any wrinkles that you may have. We'll see about that because I'm going to use that this week. And check that out and see what happens. Another thing I was sent these products by this company and to do a review. And there's some big bottles, but it is the Soapbox. This is the name of the company, Soapbox. I had never heard of this company. They contacted me about doing this review on these products. So I decided to get the Coconut Oil Shampoo Moisture and Nourish by Soapbox. These are some huge bottles. I looked at the prices, and the prices look pretty good, and the ingredients look really good. So and they have like different lines, but I went the coconut oil, and this is the conditioner, which moisture and nourish reviews. And I will have an affiliate link in the description. I am not getting paid, y'all, just doing a review on the product. Let's see. So I went to the Dollar Tree when I was in Maryland, somewhere up there. And I did see some things that we do not have here that I want to share with y'all. This girl, like, she was scared to death, child, to wrap up my stuff. But these are little fall pumpkins. Y'all got so many pumpkins all over my house. I don't know why I bought these pumpkins, but they were so cute that I had to purchase them. I bought this splatter guard screen here. I was cooking something the other day, and I do not remember what it was. And I remember thinking to myself, dang, I wish I had like one of those screens to go over it. Went in Dollar Tree, and voila. Of course, you know it's not going to be like a real sturdy one, but it'll do. I thought about it. I needed it the other day. So let me show you what I got here. And I do have some stuff from Bath & Body Works. I have a few more things, but I do want to run through these pumpkins with you real quick. I am a pumpkins fanatic, and I think because I am a falls fanatic, but y'all, how cute are these? This is that kind of, oh my goodness, I thought these are so cute. So I picked these up. Not that I need them, girl. They had the little leaves hanging on them. But I just thought that they were adorable, and they go with my living room. They go with my colors. So I bought those. And these ones, oh my goodness, I really like these a lot. I think I'm going to stick these in the kitchen because they will go with my kitchen decor that I'm actually putting in there now. But these are just so cute, right? I was like, all right, Dollar Tree, y'all better come through. And they've had these, I think, before. I just never picked any up. But this one says, thankful and blessed. I thought these would be cute to have at Thanksgiving time. And this one is Happy Harvest. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know that fall has become my favorite season for right now. Oh, let me show y'all these. Now, I hadn't seen these before, at least not down in North Carolina. I have not. But I thought these were so cute. So these are the cars with the trucks with the pumpkins. But aren't they cute? So I got two each of these. I don't know where I'm going to put these yet, but I'm going to put them somewhere. And I also picked up this little thing here that says, Hello Fall. I might take this to work and put it on my desk or in my office. I might put a few of these in my office at work. But I just thought these were so cute. So I was in, where was I at when I bought this? Walmart. And y'all, I bought two really big lunch bags because I carry my food like a lot. And I work from 11 to 8. So I kind of like eat breakfast there, even though I don't get there till 11, but usually I eat once. I don't usually eat till 1 o'clock, but sometimes if I eat, I'll carry like breakfast, which is something like, and then I'll carry like my snacks. I'll have smoothies sometimes, and sometimes I'll have like my lunch, and I'll have dinner sometimes, because I try to stay within certain windows of eating, and which is 1 to 8, and I'm at work from 1 to 8, or like 1 to 10, but I'm at work usually, for that length of time. So I really got these bags because my little lunch bags have had to grow. I don't have enough room in those bags, but I got this one from Walmart, and it is huge. It's a really good size, and it has the, what do you call it, y'all? The insulation on the inside, and it's by that Pioneer woman. But yo, this lunch bag is so adorable. I love this. So it has the 2 pockets on the sides. It has one in the front here, and then it has one back here in the back. And I like it because on the sides, you can put your drinks in here or your smoothies or what have you. But I just really needed some lunch bags with a lot of space, because like I said, I am gone most of the day, and I carry so many different meals and snacks and stuff with me. So I had originally picked this one up because I thought this is cute too. This is by Arctic, and I got this one from Ross, I think. But it also has like the size where I could put drinks on the sides, like drinks or whatever I want to put. But look how big this one is on the inside. And this is actually like a tote cooler, but I'm going to use it for lunch as well. Because some days, y'all, I just really need a lot of space, believe it or not. Or like I just carry a lot of food, but I really don't buy food like that. So I have snacks, carrots, apples, oranges. I carry a lot of food with me every day. So I wanted 2 of these that I could trade off, and I have 2 more that they're small. I'm going to get rid of those because I just don't have enough space, enough room. Now, Bath and Body Works, girl. Let me tell y'all something. I have just lost it with Bath and Body Works lately. And I usually do lose it at fall time. I try not to, but I usually do. We stopped back from Maryland today, and I went by and picked up some more candles because they had them on sale for $12.95. And I'll probably go back and pick some more up because I love fall season, and the fall season is when I get my candles in. Most other times I really don't buy a lot. I buy like a few winter scents, but it's mostly the fall because I don't know, I just really like those a lot. So let me show you what candles I have purchased today. These pumpkin peanut brittle candles are just, I got one burning right now. I have burnt one up. I got one burning. I sent one as a gift. I got 2 more here. And I was going to buy another one to when I went to another place, but they sell out everywhere. So I have another one here. So I have 3 of them, and I probably will pick up about 3 or 4 more. Hopefully, if I can, because the problem is when I go in stores, a lot of times they're sold out. But those are my new favorites. They send out some, and you're just drawn to those. And those are it. That's the smell. So the next 2 I got are the pumpkin patch, which I like the smell of these. I like that. Oh yes, I like that smell a lot. I want to try this campfire donuts. It's made with essential oils, and it really smells like donuts. It really smells like a lot like donuts. So I picked this one up to try out. I got this happy birthday one, and this one, y'all, has pink lemon pound cake. So it's got vanilla pound cake, raspberries, and lemon glaze. And oh, I just wanted to pick it up, y'all, just to see what it, burns like, because the scent was just, oh my goodness. I picked up this is supposed to be new, the caramel pumpkin swirl. And I didn't describe the other ones to y'all because in the last video, I know I described the pumpkin peanut brittle. But this caramel pumpkin swirl says it has luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, rich brown sugar, and creamy vanilla. And yeah, I definitely get all that up in that candle. Then I have the pumpkin cupcake. And I like the way this one smells as well. This has whipped buttercream. I could definitely smell the buttercream. Madagascar vanilla, pumpkin spice, and freshly baked cupcake. Yeah, I could definitely get all those scents in there. Let me describe the donut one to you real quick. This one says made with notes of powdered sugar, glazed donut, and cedarwood essential oils. So if you like cedarwood, you'll probably like that. And the pumpkin patch, I know I did not describe that one, so let me describe that one to you real quick. It's bright orange pumpkin, autumn spice blend, and rich molasses. Yeah, I definitely feel like I can sense all those in there. Now I went, y'all, and I bought like, I mean, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 hand soaps. So let's run through these real quick. I got the, what is this, peach Bellini with coconut oil. I love, love, love the smell of peach Bellini, so I decided to pick that up in the hand lotion. Hand soap, and it smells good. I love these kind of hand soaps here. I like these better than I do some of the other ones. This is the eucalyptus mint gentle foaming hand soap. So it's that one. I like the packaging on this one. The girl recommended that I get this. What is this? This blackberries and basil one. So I decided to pick that one up. I love the packaging on these ones like that too. And I carry these to work a lot of times, y'all, because that soap, I wash my hands so much sometimes. And because I use the bathroom a lot for some reason. Girl, the older I get, the more I have to go to the bathroom. And that soap at work is just hard. I don't like that soap. So I carry my own soaps to work. And this is the kitchen lemon, and y'all, this smells so good. This one has essential oils as well. Yeah, that one smells really good too though. And let's see here. So I got the crisp morning air, and I just got this, y'all. It smells good, but it really made me think about fall, so I picked that one up. Oh, I got another peach Bellini. I didn't realize I had it. So they had peach Bellini in 2 different packaging. So I'll probably leave one of those here and take one to work. I got the caramel pumpkin swirl. Jumping in leaves. This, what is this? This is the eucalyptus mint. Okay, so I got 2 eucalyptus mint. So they have one in this packaging and one in this packaging. I guess it depends on, like what kind of packaging you prefer. Like, it doesn't really matter to me all that much. Then I got the marshmallow pumpkin latte. And y'all, I had to get this afternoon picking apples. Oh my goodness. This one smells really, really good as well. And last but not least, I got a free gift, which is the, I don't know, child just picked up something. But it says Pretty as Peach. I like that one. So those are just a few other things. I have, when I say few, it is a few other things, because I've been purchasing a lot of house stuff, like a whole lot of house stuff lately. But those are the few things that I have actually picked up recently. Just want to share them with you all. If you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, and I will holler back at y'all in the next video. Bye, girl.